Gears should get those garage doors open. Got it. Down there. I'm here.
And I'm on their network. See what you see and all the wiring in the lab.
Nice. Let's shut this place down. Genki, you ready to pop this door open once I power it up?
Ready and waiting.
Did that do it?
Yep, and I got it unlocked.
There's a new form reactor powering this place. Just gotta drain it.
You should be able to find it on the ground floor. Straight ahead.
If Newform was as volatile as people were worried about, wouldn't the labs have exploded by now?
You forget what happened to the plaza?
The plaza didn't explode, it just kind of...
Huh? What was that? Something moving. Get down! We got company! Friendly down! Engaging Spider-Man! You have orders, Master Spider-Man! Engaging Spider-Man! Come here! Neutralize your squad! Dismiss immediately!
You guys take return?
Stay out of this, Spider-Man! Take him out! Active predators engaged! Neutralize! Check on Bravo Team and see what's going on.
The problem is your nasty new form reactor. The solution is me wrecking it.
Hey man, found some heavily redacted but still legible files.
Anything bigger than what Uncle Aaron took to the cops?
Nope. It's a bunch of tests confirming Newform gets explosive when exposed to electricity.
Like my venom?
Like any stray spark. I mean, it makes gasoline look like lemonade. That suddenly works better in my head.
I got it. Once again, new form's way more dangerous than Roxxon wants to admit. Peace out.
Cover me! Initiating scan! You're mine now! Where'd it go? We need some backup! Here! Catch! Knock him out!
Cleared out the guards. Now for the reactor. Not that bad.
Security shutters are open. You know what to do.
Probably worth looking around here.
Dear Roxxon employees, as thanks for your hard work, we put together a little gift package.
Can you imagine telling yourself a year ago that we'd be taking down an evil energy company together?
Honestly, no.
We've gone from making batteries and chemistry to you becoming a human battery.
It's wild, dude. Can't wait to see where we go from here.